Good morning, dear student of grade 2. I am your science teacher, and today we will start our very amazing chapter that's name is Light and Dark. So, in this chapter, you will read about some sources of light, how we see object, differentiate between opaque and transparent object. So, day and night. You have seen day and night in your life. What is day and night? During the day, the sun gives us light. During night, it becomes dark and we use bulb or torch to see. Dear student, during the daytime, you can easily see without the aid of any light, without the help of any light source. But during night, you need bulb, torch, candle to see the things clearly. So, what is light? Light helps us to see things around us. The sun, bulb, candle, torch give us light. Example: sun, bulb, candle, torch. What is dark? Dark is the absence of light. When there is no light, we cannot see things clearly. Example: a room with light off or outside at night. So, it is the light which help us to see things clearly. Things that give light, objects that give their own light are called sources of light. Example: sun, star, candle, bulb, torch. Things that do not give light. Some objects do not make light. We can see them only when light falls on them. Example: table, chair, book, ball. Can you see these things without light? No. So, sources of light. There are two type of sources of light. Natural light source. Natural light sources are those which are not man-made. Sun, star, firefly. Allah Almighty made them. Natural source of light: glowworm and fireflies. These are animals which make their own light to attract their partner. Artificial light. Artificial light sources are man-made. They include candle, lamp, torch, matches. Light source, natural light source and artificial light source. Dear student, you can see in the column both sources of light. Natural light source include sun, fire. Artificial light source include bulb, lamp, candle. So, dear student, there is one more thing that you should know. Luminous. What is the luminous? Luminous is the things which give their own light. So, is moon luminous or non-luminous? Moon is a non-luminous body. The moon is not a source of light. It turns toward us the light from the sun. So, we see shining moon, but it is not the light of moon. It is actually the light of sun that falls on moon and then turn toward us. So, how do we see object? The question: how do we see object with the help of light? Our eyes alone do not allow us to see. Light from a light source falls on an object, then bounces off. Bounces off mean light fall on object, then turn from its surface toward our eye. In this way, we see thing, we perceive thing, we see thing. Dear student, light fall on the object and then turn toward our eye, and in this way we see object. Transparent object. And now student, there are two more things that you should know. Transparent object. Transparent objects allow you to see clearly through them. Some examples are window glass, glass of water, glasses. Why it is important for these objects to be transparent? So, transparent objects are those objects which allow light to pass through them and one can see easily through them. Opaque object. Do not let any light through them. You can't see through them. Some example of opaque object are carrot, bear, door. They are those things which do not allow light to pass through them. For example, football. So, this is your back exercise, dear student, which you will solve on your book, which help you to understand your chapter. And dear student, these are your question answers which you will solve on your notebook, which help you to understand your lesson better. Thank you.